Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying compatibility. Make sure your Fortuna's head unit supports Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, and that firmware is up to date. Once done, use a quality USB cable and plug your phone into the car's USB port so the head unit detects it. Next, unlock your phone, open Android Auto, and grant location, microphone, and phone permissions. This lets Google Maps provide live navigation and voice directions without interruption. Now establish the active connection. On your Fortuner's screen, choose Android Auto and follow the on-screen pairing prompts. Make sure phone prompts are accepted. Once paired, set Google Maps as the default navigation within Android Auto so directions always open there. Test routing by entering a nearby address and use voice commands to start navigation. This confirms mic access and steering wheel button mapping. If touch is laggy, make small cable and USB port changes to improve data transfer speed. Finish by customizing display and control mapping so Google Maps appears on ignition. Calibrate compass if the head unit offers it, and save any audio or display presets you prefer. Make sure your phone stays charged and permits background refresh so traffic and ETA stay accurate. If navigation fails, one key troubleshooting tip is to switch location to high accuracy, replace the USB cable, then reboot both phone and head unit. This clears handshake errors and usually restores the connection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.